Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Chick Fil A costume is probably one of the most fun and creative costume ideas out there. Whether you're a die-hard fan of the restaurant or just looking for a unique Halloween outfit, this costume is sure to be a hit. In this video, we'll dive into the best Chick Fil A costumes available, exploring different styles, and helping you find the perfect one to make your Halloween unforgettable. Number 5. Neer Cow Costume Set for Adult. This fantastic set is perfect for cosplay or any costume party. It includes everything you need to transform into a playful cow. Get ready to have some fun. The set comes with a headband, ears, tail, nose, bow tie, and a skirt. It's a complete package, making it easy to create a fun and memorable look. Everything is included. The costume is designed for adults and is comfortable to wear for extended periods. It's easy to put on and take off, making it ideal for events. You will love it. Whether you're attending a convention or a themed party, this costume is a great choice. It's a fun and easy way to stand out. It is a great choice. The set also includes 5 stickers to add extra fun. They are a great addition to the costume. You can use them to personalize your look. What we like. This set provides everything you need. It's perfect for a full, immersive experience. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one costume solution, you should consider this. What people say. All of the accessories were easy to put on and remove. It was good material, didn't mess up, very soft, and will last if she wants to wear it again during the next few years. Even just the accessories alone were adorable. Number 4. Nicky Big's Rooster Chicken Costume Kit. Are you ready to cluck with laughter? This costume kit is perfect for anyone looking to have some fun. It's a great way to stand out at any party. This set includes everything you need to become a rooster. It's easy to wear and comfortable, so you can enjoy yourself all night long. Get ready to strut your stuff. Designed for adults, this costume is a guaranteed hit. It's a fun and memorable choice for Halloween or any costume event. Get ready for some laughs. Made with quality materials, this costume is built to last. You can be sure it will withstand all the fun and games. It's a great investment for your costume collection. Putting on this costume is a breeze. It's designed for convenience, so you can quickly transform into a rooster. Get ready to make a grand entrance. What we like. This kit offers a fun and unique twist. It's a great way to stand out. If you like a playful and quirky look, you should consider this. What people say. Fit well and well made. Perfect finishing touch for my turkey outfit. Loved the chicken feet. They worked out perfect. I was afraid that the straps on the bottom would break. But everything stayed in place. Number 3. Top-level sun sports visor, one-size cap hat. Stay protected from the sun with this stylish visor. It's designed for both men and women, and it's a one-size-fits-all design, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. Whether you're playing sports or just enjoying a sunny day, this visor is the perfect accessory. It helps shield your eyes from the sun, allowing you to see clearly and comfortably. The adjustable design makes it easy to customize the fit. It's lightweight and breathable, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. This visor combines fashion and function. It's a great way to protect yourself from the sun while still looking your best. Don't let the sun ruin your day. Grab this visor and enjoy your outdoor activities in comfort and style. It's the perfect addition to your summer wardrobe. What we like. This visor is designed for sun protection. It's lightweight and easy to wear. If you need sun protection while completing your costume, you should consider this. What people say. I actually bought this for a Chick Fil A Halloween costume, and it worked out perfectly well, but have since just used it as a visor as it's pretty quality. The red isn't too loud or bold and is a rich shade. The tightening mechanism is easy to use, and I haven't found it catches my hair at all either. Number 2. OLLULL Baby Animal Costumes Toddler Outfit Romper. Looking for the perfect Halloween outfit for your little one? This adorable animal costume is the perfect choice. It's cute, comfortable, and sure to bring smiles. This romper is designed to be suitable for both baby boys and girls. The unisex design makes it a versatile option for any child. It's a great choice for siblings or hand-me-downs. Made with soft, high-quality materials, this outfit ensures your baby's comfort. The fabric is gentle on the skin, allowing them to move and play freely. They will love wearing it. Whether it's Halloween or just playtime, this costume is perfect for dress-up. It's easy to put on and take off, making it convenient for parents. Let your child's imagination run wild. This romper is easy to clean and maintain. Simply toss it in the washing machine for a quick refresh. It's durable enough to withstand multiple wears and washes. What we like. This adorable romper is perfect for babies. It's comfortable and easy to wear. If you have a little one and want a cute costume, you should consider this. What people say. It comes with a zipper in the front and a zipper on the bottom for easy diaper changes. So excited for the girls to use these on Halloween. The cuffs at the wrists and ankles are snug enough that the costume can be oversized to some extent without falling over the child's feet and hands. It's pretty thick, so it's great for a cold Halloween evening. It's also the cutest color of pink. The little tail just added more cuteness. I also love that it has a double zipper for diaper changes, makes it so much easier. It's amazing quality and the price isn't bad either. Number 1. Beistle Cow Headband. Looking for a fun and easy costume? This is the perfect accessory. It's great for parties or just playing dress-up. This headband is made by Beistle. It is designed to be comfortable and easy to wear. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this headband is a great choice. It's a simple way to add some fun to any outfit. The headband is lightweight and easy to put on. It stays in place, so you can enjoy your event without any worries. Don't miss out on this fun accessory. Grab one today and get ready to have some fun. It's a great addition to any costume collection. What we like. This headband is a simple accessory. It's easy to put on and take off. If you are looking for a quick and easy costume addition, you should consider this. What people say. It stayed put, was comfy enough for my pup to actually wear, and perfectly completed the cow-themed birthday ensemble. I used this for some of our stable animals in a children's Christmas play. The kids loved wearing them and they looked great. The size is great. It's stretchy enough to fit a small child or an adult. Just a standard headband under it all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.